Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Easy Touch glucose monitoring system. First, ensure you have all components: the meter, lancing device, lancets, and test strips. Begin by inserting the battery into the meter. Next, set the correct date and time. You can also configure up to 4 daily alarms and personalize your high and low glucose alerts, typically between 100 to 400 milligrams per deciliter for high and 40 to 90 milligrams per deciliter for low. To perform a test, first wash and dry your hands completely. Insert a new test strip into the meter. It will turn on and display a blood drop symbol. Load a fresh, sterile lancet into your lancing device and select a comfortable depth setting, usually between 1 and 5. Press the lancing device firmly against your fingertip or an alternate site like your palm or forearm, then press the release button to obtain a tiny blood sample, only about 0.5 microliters. Gently touch the tip of the test strip to the blood sample. The meter will beep when it has enough blood and begin a 5-second countdown. Your glucose reading will then display on the screen. A normal fasting range is typically 70 to 110 milligrams per deciliter. If your result is below 20, low appears; above 600, high appears. The meter stores up to 300 results, including 7, 14, and 30-day averages. For accurate results, always use Easy Touch brand test strips. They are 100% code-free. Remember, test strips and lancets are for single use only. Properly dispose of used lancets and strips. Store your unused test strips in their original vial, keeping them away from extreme temperatures and moisture. Always consult your healthcare professional to determine your personal target glucose ranges and for any medical advice regarding your readings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.